Looking for dog toys? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, by VTech. Amazing Prime Day deal. Number 2, by Sweet Seats. This is one of many great products we got in stored for you. Number 3, by Crayola. Shop for Amazon Prime special deals. Number 4, by Melissa and Doug. Available now on Amazon. Number 5, also by Melissa and Doug. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 6, by Angels. Shop for Amazon Prime great offers. Number 7, by Creativity for Kids. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 8, by Baby Einstein. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 9, by Melissa and Doug. Don't miss these great Prime Day deals. Click this link now. Number 10, by Kate and Levi. Our editor choice.